Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of adding your address on LinkedIn using your PC. LinkedIn has made some changes to its interface, so I'll guide you step by step to make sure you can easily update your profile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a small profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings area where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look for Account Preferences. Within Account Preferences, find Name, Location, and Industry under Profile Information and click on it. Next, click on Edit Contact Info. This is where you'll be able to add and modify your contact details, including your address. A new window should pop up with your current contact information. Locate the address field. If you don't have an address listed yet, it will be blank. Carefully type in your full address. Be as accurate as possible, including your street number, street name, apartment number, if applicable, city, state or province, and postal code. Accurate information helps people find and connect with you. Once you've entered your address, double-check to make sure everything is correct. Spelling errors or incorrect details can cause confusion. After you're satisfied with the information you've entered, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. And that's it. You've successfully added your address to your LinkedIn profile using the updated process. Adding your address can help enhance your professional network and make it easier for people in your local area to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.